against Red Bull Leipzig. Me sure Pastor Leipzig fans, you know, say Omu ever ye Champions League round 16 now. No Omu boy be careful because every time we are either so Meshia team I the Man City in the group stage and some Meshia in a knockout tie. In Germany, Meshia Biana, and it's quite difficult for them to qualify. Last 3 weeks, Meshia, you know, game echo ended 1-1 with a game, no, making sure say we are on a home tie for make us the final stretch at team my friend say the stadium if it's ETR Sports because and then away go to any Premier League number and I say in a Champions League and 1-1 no it was into the game at Airbus when you away the ETR Sports
SOMPA Sports
the game no near my game no talking points about Mupano are these few things. The first one no I have branch from Josco Vadio ni go or share because I'm out for a give say Josco Vadio go ordinance AC Ruben Diaz number 2 so until referee game no should have taken a foul for team from the City and now omoye sago na jeye e ka ba ye few minutes upon game no ade ehu ye say City for enya penalty a referee na nje because ball no elbow and Rekensa e penalty yard box no na upon game no kura wie you join us live on Facebook na ade you can see say ball no elbow and Rekensa but referee no kire mu say baby a ball no nsa any baby a ball no twi na ball nsa no a natural position. One day penalty no, I'm a point game no. It became a very big talking point. Then the scenes are here. I pep any players no. So omuagi wo park na so. Because the game is called omoni anji game no. Dave Ederson and Nathan Ake arguing on the pitch. Apa ya friend Pep Guardiola Afro boys ni legend ho no mo a. Omo mu team talk. Ya pon game no. Omo come dressing room. They are on the pitch and they are discussing about game because after a game no, omo problems. Anka say o game because of the way Marco Rose and the players City ball no on that day against my friend no City the Red Bull Arena. Papa, a big red game nangasem. Okay. So last week in the game now where now. There's a lineup of two teams in the boy and I'll go into the tactics of that first leg, you know. And they goalkeeper a friend of last week and that goal post in the match for Red Bull Leipzig. At the back was Marcel Hartenberg, it was Lucas Klosterman, Willie Orban and then Josko Valdi and Jerry. Anybody to a friend of Red Bull Leipzig. In midfield. Papa for the Marco Rose echo for a double number 6 nibi and a Xavier's Laga and a Coral Lama and a ball 6 and 8 no. Then in attack Timo Werner, Emil Forsberg, Dominic Suboslai and a brother for Andre Silva and a journey and my team my friend Leipzig on that night on board 1-1 no. On the side of City Pep echo with Ederson in goal post and in the formation no or with a 3-2-4-1 nibi and a Manuela Kanji, Ruben Diaz, Nathan Ake at the back in a 3-back system. Apart from Bernardo Silva, Rodri, I bought a double number 6, and then a Kyle Walker, Jack Grealish, Riyad Mahrez, and Ilkay Gundogan in a double number 10, and apart from Ellen Haaland leading the attack for Team of the City. And on a normal terms, no, apart from the Pep, I call with 2 natural wingers. Baku a defensive winger, and Baku an attacking winger. A defensive winger in Kyle Walker, an attacking winger in Abrantia, your friend Jack Grealish. So be no, the double number 10s of Riyad Mahrez and Ilkay Gundogan will support a branch here for Ellen Haaland anymore. But game na a ball game no papa. I dey say say in a game of 2 halves. So the first half now. Papa for Pep Guardiola X-ray say in terms of tactics in the first half no, he was on top. Then in the second half Marco Rose was X-ray BB and I'll enter into the first half and second half no. 16 in the first half. Papa for Pep X-ray and say in a system build up no. He will put up say who na 3 players in defense, 2 players in midfield, 4 players in attack behind a branch of Ellen Haaland. It's all back trainer. I am Manola Kanjimo and Nathan Akemo and a Genetri in a 3-back in a midfield too. Equia branch of Bernardo Silva, Eddie Rodri, and then in attack the 4 players always a branch of Kawaka opening up wide on the right side. When a branch of friend of Riyad Mahrez open up wide, leaving Ellen Haaland and Musu Wenim. And in terms of system, in the first half, it was a good system build up for team by a friend of Amaziti. And in terms of defensive phases, no, or in terms of defense, no, or cover 5 man, say the Ombe defender, or Leipzig for half or more. And such a key or more 2, 3, 4, 5 players say no, or more defending, or team by a friend of Leipzig for more half or so by Ombe blockade, team by friend Leipzig for from passing the ball through the midfield. And I do here and say every time Biano or almost team from Leipzig for the ball covering one more. Not why overloads on the wings, no what you bought from Munsem. In the first half, it was a good first half for Team City. It's every time Biano, Ikai Gundogan, any Abrantia, a friend, Jack Grealish more, cover on the south side, no more creative overloads will always try and sell Haaland, ever found one other player. And on the ball covering one more, they take the ball, and go in the bar, you know. Or more pressure more up high. On my ball, the ball covering, so they press you on the wings, no matter the ball above me, and a couple of Real Madrid's going on share at the bite. In the first half, it was a very, very good first half.
SOMPA.
Always, no, so the ball from there are players in the midfield that they're going to block that passing lead. And in the first half, no, almost suffocated team, my friend Leipzig, in that first half of our game, no, a perfect first half. Always try as much as possible, say, they will use the midfield, create overloads on the wing, so Rodri, Ilkay Gundogan, Jack Grealish, ball goes outside on more. They create those overloads at that side, or same with my PK team, my friend Leipzig, or maybe a counter attack, or maybe a defensive mistake from let's not match the ball on the ball. They have a can say in football, everyone nice and upper, he will roll for her, and your positions for her. Even those are better for Rodri was the person on board number 6 there. Now in this game, no, he was the person that only do more press, no. He was the first person only do more press when I brand here. Your friend Ellen Haaland. I think sir, in the first half of that game against Leipzig, no, it was a very, very good first half. And yeah, me who say I better pay for Marco Silva. A year watch me in the second half. Hey, the way I team first for a defender. Papa, can be a branch for Bernardo Silva, Dina. And it's the brilliance of our pay for Marco Silva. I do hear say every time the Army forward back drop back the left side here. And on the baba up essence on him say I mean forward back any of the most creative spark. I was from Leipzig 14 in Muntino. Mama no la kanji ever fano. Manola kanji ba up then Bernardo Silva goes back into centre back. And this time Bernardo Silva playing in midfield no. So I'm more defenders at 20 years here. Bernardo Silva comes into centre back. You be and he's always partner about the final. I kind of saying I can say Manola kanji mu actually. Always try and say he'll be able to cover that space and this seven Dominic Szoboszlai or Major Elho Edamant Mefoni City. And I think that in the first half, no, he made a very, very good impact in the first half. And there, Omuyo Wajma, that centre back role now, Omo Bernardo Silva in times, Omo Enhachomo. Now, in the second half, no, we saw some changes because apart from the Marco Rose, very, very, very good coach. I do hear say, but in the system, no, to suit 64 bomb, but
SOMPA Sports.
I'm call with 5 men attack, but you know, a Kadipa 3. And the I am say, on my goalkeeper that goal post became the third man in the build-up. Until now, no, he has 1, 2, 3 players in the build-up. And then I get 2 players over 50. So it's 2 players now. Now we're playing the other thing now, Kwedemunti and Rubabino. I'm going to call with about 6 players in your attack now. Telephone must for air ball with 3 defenders. No, I'm going to call with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 players in attack, especially Brand here. The front Enrique, I'm right back now. Papa. Now no game no. On here the changing spark I'm about the front Enrique. I do hear say every time they create overloads on the right side on more. Then they leave about the front Enrique isolated with Nathan Ake and a whole other problems in the buy. And now no, I do am here and say Enrique become the third man in midfield or right back. Became the third man in the midfield, always trying somebody you see that right side on always to perfection. And it's already almost game no boy now. Papa, this is 14 no echo with a narrow shape in the second half. I do am here and say now they went with a 4-4-2 mid block. 4 players in defense, 4 players in midfield, 2 players in attack. But then say na a very very narrow. We be am dey box na sign now.
Yeah, omunina concentrate
midfield leaving the wings of team Efeno. Leipzig so make many space. And there's one space on the length. I went to Efeno Enrique. I was very now space with me up my BB open. I think the second half no that system for apply for the Marco Rose and a Buomo. Always making advantage of Enrique very, very free to be able to dominate on that right side. And Nathan said, so let's talk about some winning game now. What they need to do, they say, they have to counter press team
SOMPA Sports.
And they say, let's say, for second ball now, they should find players and make it overloads on one player. So they know, or make magic ball there from say, Papa, in terms of head to head, no, something kind of, let's say 4 team now, in the last 3 games, they've won 1, they've lost 1, and they've drew 1. And I want to about 3 games. And a fair share because we are many back. Adia car a goes and
goes in the differentiate the supremacy.
But the question I want to say player now and omo buy it here share 3 goals and on ka ho Christopher Nkunku. So we omo injury list now. Nkunku out of the game. And then Nkunku is out. Slager the midfielder and Oboy is also out. About the friend Gulasi is out and Afe Diallo also in anyhow. And today is the injury list of team Efeno. I can say Red Bull Leipzig. In terms of I can say form there. About 2 teams in our form. City, the last 5 games were winning 4, I draw 1. The last time City for a lose to game with against Brentford. and oh yeah no for more in the last 10 will fear there City for draw only one and so only for elbow oh it's here campus one more they are very very strong the same way applies to team my friend Leipzig almost answer last 5 almost win 3 almost draw 1 and almost lose 1 they drew against T and they lost against Dortmund away but in terms of away form no papa almost away form and bad they lost against team my friend Dortmund away no before that in the last 8 no almost win Maku 6 and almost draw 2 actually say in terms of away form no almost a very very good away set papa for the purpose of winning game now papa it should be the way I bet me I working around a branch with Josco Vadio. If they're able to work around Josco Vadio, they will be able to win because first like now a poor game in now branch for Ellen Halan na kabon 12 times per the whole game na boy in because Josco Vadio and Wojma and if they're able to win this game they should be able to work their way around Josco Vadio because he's the most complete defender ever team my friend Leipzig 14 he's very strong in the air he's very good on the ground and in terms of duels so to me win pa and tell someone win a game now they should be able to work around a bunch of Josco Vadio and be able to score goals around him and I think that playing at the ETS posted in one day upper I think that City are going to qualify
okay
I'll go for a win for team my friend City because it's here it will be very difficult for any other team to come there because Brentford me win a game no playing against Leipzig and then attacking football on bottom up be again they won't defend and that way give chances for team my friend City and Ellen Haaland to be able to score I'll go for a win for team my friend can't say City some may qualify from game win maybe any 6-3 now you go who yeah last time about it yard no we're going to have maybe a 2-1 or maybe a 3-1 but yet still no I think say team my friend City will be able to qualify to the next round of the competition.
Yes. Okay, and in someone, evangelist